Machiegni kendo, ji 6 omaki e kaunti ma Narok kitudogi kod uso yedhe ma bandia mag nego kute kod tiyo gi lesen ma ok opuodhi e tayo ohand yedhe mitiyo godo e puothe. Ji 6 go omaki e kar ohala man Tulele e boma ma Narok kendo geng'negi e tesend obila ma Narok ka irito chwalogi e doho. Kotelnegi kod Lawrence Katalawa ma en apisa mochung'ne geng'o kute e bod mar migawo mar pur, gigolo siem ne jo ohala mondo kik odonjre ohala mag mwandu mag pur ma ok opuodhi nimar ibiro kawnegi ondamo mager mar chik.
Yes, if you apply in your crops. Some are from our neighbors, others coming as far as China, illegal pesticides. And we are making this announcement that this week we are in Narok County with the police officers, with the press, with the PCB team, to try to crack down these illegal pesticides. And as at yesterday, we arrested 6 persons within Narok County, and they are appearing in court today. Assorted pesticides were being impounded, seized, and total street value about 500,000 Kenya shillings. There are also those who are genuine traders. They are facilitating this illegal business because we have found good pesticides or genuine pesticides together with the unauthorized pesticides. And our understanding is this person sitting at that shop also has a knowledge. They are going to cheat the farmers. Yet they know these are not allowed for use in Kenya. That any person who is selling pesticides must have a qualification of a certificate in agriculture, or animal health, or environment, or other related subjects. And the certificate of the person who is at the shop dispensing the pesticides, the certificate is displayed in the shop or in the premises, and a photograph of that person is displayed in the shop.